What is going on, everybody? It is Mark and Kathy, and we're going to do the Big Berthas. We're going to do them combined again. You guys seem to love it. So there's door number one for Big Bertha number one. Watch your step, Kathy. Don't hit the lint. Here's door number two. I see some lint lurking. It's been a decent, busy couple of weeks, I'd say. All right. Coming back for screen number one. Give you guys just a quick history about us while we're doing this. We do commercial and residential. We do a lot of residential. I'd say we're what, 60% residential, 40% commercial. We do a lot of niche commercial. I'd say that's good enough. Screen number two. We've been doing this, some form of washing or laundry service since 2006. Started as a cloth diaper service. Just giving you guys a little history, a little background. We're more than just lint. All right, now we're gonna grab that broom. Let's see what we got inside here. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. If you love lint like I love lint, that is crazy. Let's see if that money shot, if we get anything. Oh yeah. All stuck in there. Good work. Let's get Big Bertha. Oh, wow. That thing is a, what do they call that? A pillow. I got a pillow that looks just like that. I mean, I actually made it out of lint. Money shot wise, see a lot lurking in those corners, Kathy. We're gonna have to really do it, so. All right, now we're gonna sweep and we're gonna combine these into one giant pile. All right. All right, good work, Kathy. Let's get this thing fired up. Doing great. Ah, jinxed you. All right, let's hit these corners hard, Kathy. All right. Oh, shoot. What is that? Hold on, there's some wires back there. Holy cow. That was crazy. Man. All right, good work. Let's get this thing off. Let's get this thing put back together. A wild clog right there, but there we go. Screen number one, screen number two, door number one. I'll jump in and help you with this, Kathy. Chain one, chain two. Whew, Big Bertha number one is completely done. Let's finish up number two. You get that chain. I mean, there's some hairy chains. There's that chain. All right, Kathy, good job. Big Bertha, number one, number two, done. Thanks.